Hello everyone, welcome to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. First of all, I would like to congratulate you all to complete this challenge up till day 40. It's a good achievement. You have learned a lot, but let's keep the momentum because we have a lot more to cover and we don't want to miss anything. Do you want to miss anything? No. So let's keep the momentum, and today we will hit day 41 challenge. The skill set which we are focusing is Verilog. Today we are going to see some advanced Verilog concepts. The first question is bit easy. We had already seen the concept of task and function in the previous day's challenge. You need to differentiate between task and function. The second question is about PLI. We have a concept called PLI in Verilog. You need to explain what is this concept and what are its applications. Function which we saw in Verilog, it is possible for the function to be virtual or pure virtual function. What is the virtual function and pure virtual function in Verilog? Explain it with the help of coding example. Then we have a concept of DPI. What is this DPI and what are its application? After that, you need to explain some system task. These are first is $random. Then we need to read and write to memory a lot of times in Verilog. We need some system tasks to support this. So if you see, I have a task called read memb. What does it do? You need to explain. Then I have a task called read memh. What does it do? Explain. Then you need to explain some file support operations in Verilog because we are going to read and write to a lot of files. We need certain operations in Verilog to support that. First is $fopen, then $fscan, $fdisplay, $fwrite, and $fclose. I want you to execute all this file support functions, write a code, take a coding example, write a code using all these functions, and that's how you are going to solve this question. Then, as usual, we will have to have some design questions because without practice, you can't learn Verilog. So, there are certain design questions also. First one is you need to design T flip flop. Then, you need to design 4-bit shift register and design an FSM which can detect the overlapping sequence 0 1 0 1 0. Remember, it's an overlapping sequence. Solve these questions today, and tomorrow I'm going to see you for day 42 challenge. Best luck.